Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here again with another video. I have to thank you guys so much for the support that you've been giving me even in this time of quarantine, and I thought it would be a good time to shoot you guys with our next video. This footage was documented from about a month ago, but yeah, putting the video together today using the tablet just like I did in the last video. So hopefully the editing is good and you guys enjoy. Last video one of my subscribers asked if maroon if maroon in my family. I'm a low-key feels like I threw me here did while, so I make sure something fresh today, you know. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. I'm extremely late. I not even know what settings the camera on the 1080p 60. Alright, good. I have a field trip. I'm like almost an hour late, but knowing them over my department, the bus no leave it. So where would I go? Blue Mountain, them say we should reach 7:30 and 10:15 everybody did still there, you know them little way there. So yeah, as in I'm just a try. Oh, these lit the camera, so I try hurry up and reach over there. To be honest, is a school field trip, so I don't even know if me go vlog that much, as in me just see the camera and just throw it in the bag and say might as well me vlog it there. It have sufficient percent and sufficient memory, and I am not seeing anybody. The one time I actually needed Jamaicans to be Jamaicans and late, them actually early, and the bus left me. Sad, but the first stop should be Devon house, so I can jump on a taxi quick and hopefully catch them if I go to Devon house and them gone well. That's it, because I'm not travel so far by myself. What the hell? Hopefully I catch them at Devon house. Morning.
Morning.
Back 10 to 15 minutes. Ah, here's it. Alright, hopefully I can catch them and them not gone. Morning. Morning, Siki. As in I can go on there. I can go on now?
No, we're not open yet.
Darn. As in
9:30.
I was supposed to be
9:30 to the public.
I was supposed to be on a bus that's on a trip here.
What kind of trip?
It's from UWI.
UWI.
But it left me, so I was wondering if
So you are part of the UWI team.
yeah.
So how me I go? You have nothing for it?
That me hope me put the ID in my wallet, you know, Jesus, please. Alright, I guess this could work. That's a
You see, I better than
right. That's up. Talk to him.
Yeah.
Respect here. Sorry. Alright, Siki, let me through. Woo! I'm saying to talk to that nigga, alright. That's what's up. I talk to the nigga who is supervisor. See if my let me on. Alright, I see bus. That no look bad. Over here kinda pretty though. Yeah, bro. I have my ID.
No, that doesn't matter, sir.
For now.
You have to get somebody from around there. Somebody can't just come and tell me they are part of any group that's
True,
around here.
true,
and that's
true.
around
Understand.
here. I don't have it.
Beckford, Labu, Beckford. Beckford, yeah. Ah. Oh, that's actually that's really. Yeah.
Hello.
But when it's blowing, the entire house was well ventilated because they had every
Klappat hakten alla fullfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grott.
TV, IOUT.
kvarn. Guldfest hela dagen. Stort på stort, det har vi alltid gjort. Så det är guldfest hela dagen. Guldfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Guldfest hela dagen. Stort på stort, det har vi alltid gjort. Så det magra och tjocka, ska ha det bra, ja. Takten alla barn. Guldfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Guldfest hela dagen.
Yeah, so as you guys would have seen, I was able to catch up with the group. So now we're here at the Seville. I'm not sure if it's Spanish. I think it's Seville. It's the Seville Great House in St. Anne. Yeah, so we're just going to do a tour of here. We'll go to, I think it's Turtle River Park. It's an educational excursion. So, you know, it's not really one to really explore, but I just thought it would be cool to bring you guys along. Yeah. The view is a kind of sick though. Like, it's a nice view.
Where's the burger?
Yeah, the chicken them.
I'm saying that in Venezuela, Trinidad,
And the black chicken this?
Guyana, they will have.
What am I afraid of we?
Hello. Oh no, sir.
From
Journey.
I don't want to because you know I'm Yeah.
Yo, put this back in there.
Scott,
Come here, Scott.
make my boss take it because him one the most way.
Huh?
Like him one hold on for some same time.
Me and my head.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next video. Feel free to like, leave a comment. I always read the comments, enjoy reading the comments. Top comment will be posted in the next video. Yeah, as usual, thank you guys for the support. Thank you for supporting the channel, for subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.